Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, May 23, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, good morning. How's it going?
Morning, David. I'm okay. Just need this coffee to wake up.
Same here. I'm so tired. Too many late calls with clients.
I get it. Are you busy today?
Oh yeah, super busy. Got 3 meetings before lunch.
Wow, that's a lot. I've got a project update to finish.
Good luck with that. Hey, did you see the news about India's big delegation?
Yes, I did. They're sending people to talk about politics with other countries.
Yeah, it's all over the place. I think it's cool they're speaking up for themselves.
True. It shows they want to be strong on the world stage.
For sure. Maybe it'll help us get some new deals in that region.
Could be. It's good to see countries working together like that.
Totally. Hey, more clients for me if it works out.
Haha. Always thinking about sales, huh?
You know me. Gotta keep the numbers up.
Fair enough. Did you hear about the tech news today?
What's that? Something with computers or phones?
It's about a big trade deal. The US and China might work on new tech stuff together.
Oh, nice. That could mean cheaper gadgets for us, right?
Maybe. It's more about sharing ideas and making new things.
I like that. We need new tools for the office. These old laptops are so slow.
I know, right? A tech boost could help our projects run faster.
For sure. I'm always waiting for my emails to load.
Same here. Let's hope this deal makes a difference.
Fingers crossed. Hey, did you see that entertainment story today?
Which one? I didn't check much news this morning.
It's about a famous filmmaker, Lav Diaz. He's doing a scary movie in the Philippines.
Oh, interesting. I like horror movies. They're fun to watch.
Me too. But I watch them at night and then can't sleep.
I understand. Do you think this movie will be big?
I bet it will. People love scary stuff. It's a big market.
True. It's nice to see stories from different places.
Yeah? Maybe we can watch it together after work one day.
That sounds good. It's a plan if it comes out soon?
Deal. Hey, it's nice to chat about something other than work.
I agree. These coffee breaks are the best part of the day.
Totally. Keeps me going when I'm stuck on calls.
Same for me. It's good to step away from the computer.
Hey, speaking of work, I better get back to my desk. Got a client waiting.
Me too. I need to check on my team's progress.
All right. Catch you later, Alex. Have a good day.
You too, David. See you at the coffee machine tomorrow?
For sure. Don't work too hard.
Ha, I'll try. Take care.
You too. Let's hope for some good news tomorrow.
Yes, let's hope. Bye, David.
Bye, Alex. Talk soon.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.